Hey guys, welcome back to my channel That Look You Love. It's Dhriti. I'm sharing how you can rock dark eyes and a dark lip together. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my all-time favorite moisturizer. This is the Nivea Soft and Light Moisturizer, and yeah, it was kind of cold. So I'm going to put that all over my face and just put like a really good amount because we want glowy skin. And I thought this would be perfect for the holidays since December is coming up. We got Christmas and so many occasions, and a lot of beginners especially, they just shy away from dark makeup. So this one's for you guys. I'm gonna next go in with my e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. This is gonna give a really good glow to your skin under your foundation, so it's gonna look really natural. I'm gonna put that mainly on my high points and the T-zone, not all over my face. You can, but I'm just gonna put it here. So yeah, just mentioning it again, this is especially for beginners because I've made it super easy for you guys so y'all don't have to run away from dark makeup. So I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the Covergirl foundation. This is their True Blend foundation and I am using the shade Caramel Beige. If any of y'all have noticed your body skin being darker than your face, that's because of course you're washing your face every day, exfoliating it and taking care of it, but you forget about your neck. Well, in my case, my body is darker than my face. I take care of my face skin a lot. So that's why I matched my foundation with my neck. That's what you should do always, whether your neck is darker or lighter. Choose your foundation according to that so it looks natural. And yes, any foundation takes around 20 minutes to settle in and look natural, so be patient. I'm going in with my Clinique concealer. It's called All About the Eyes concealer. And I'm taking the tiniest amount of this, putting it under my eye just to highlight because yes, this is a party look. So I want that highlighter effect. This is in the shade Light Neutral. Before our under eyes crease, you want to set that in place, and so I'm going in with my Maybelline setting powder. This is the Super Stay Better Skin setting powder, translucent powder. It's in the shade 25 that I'm using, and I'm going to put that first under my eyes to just set that, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face. If you ever end up going for a lighter foundation shade, by mistake you bought it or whatever, it's not wasted. You can always use your contouring powder to really warm up your face, and that's the best part about makeup. You can fix anything. There's a way for it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to use my contour. That was just a hack that I shared. Yeah, so I'm using my contour, which is a MAC contour, and it's a matte brown color. So I'm going to use that in my cheekbone area and my jawline, my forehead slightly, and also my nose very slightly. I'm clumsy like that. So moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this by Physicians Formula. I'm using the brown shade that comes. These are like crayon pencils, you can say. Jumbo pencils, you get them by NYX. You get them in a lot of brands. So I'm using this one and I'm taking a brown shade. Also, this is the technique that you can use with any of those pencils. So basically just putting that on my eyelid, and with my finger, I'm going to simply blend it out. This is so beginner friendly. Anyone can do it. So go ahead and give it a try. The trick here is to add more color, blend it out, then add more color and blend it out. That's simply how it goes. I'm also putting that in my lower lash line. I'm gonna smoke that out with a brush a little bit. Also, if you notice, the first time when I put the brown, I blended it a little higher and then I kept going lower and lower to concentrate the color more on my lid. Now I'm going to go with a black crayon and I'm going to put that in my waterline as well as my lid. So you can either smoke it out, do just a liner, you can do it however you like. I'm going to slightly smoke it out to give not like a complete smoky eye. Not everyone likes smoky eyes because it makes the eyes look smaller, and I agree, it doesn't suit everybody. It didn't suit me either before, so this used to be my go-to when I was beginning my makeup journey, and it's really easy as well. Just the trick over here is to keep the darkest shade closer to your lash line and blend it lighter as you go higher. So that's exactly what I'm doing. The black as well, I'm going to simply put it at my lash line and then blend it out to give that shape of the eye you want. You can use a brush if you like, but it doesn't have to be neat because you're going to blend it out. So like I did before, I'm going to put that black and blend it with my finger now that I've got the eye shape down. And that's it. That's going to give that whole smoky eye effect when it's not really a smoky eye. So that is the trick. Layering is key when it comes to smoky eyes, and here I'm just making a slight wing. Going in with my eyebrow pencil, this is by Deborah Milano, and I'm just going to fill in my brows and give it a good shape. After which you simply want to go in with your favorite mascara and put a lot of that on your lashes, since if you are a beginner, I know fake lashes can be a little difficult, but if you do know how to put fake lashes and you are practicing or so keep practicing, that can really change the look. So definitely go ahead and give it a try, because that makes a lot of difference to the whole makeup look. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye and meet you when I'm doing my face, which is right now. So I'm basically using my blush on from the Balm, and this is called Cabana Boy. It is a really pigmented blush on. It's so pretty, and you need the slightest amount of this. Now comes the highlighter, which is an all-time favorite of everybody. So this is by the Balm again, and it's called Mary Lou Manizer. You must have heard of it. This gives the most gorgeous glow. If you're a beginner, you gotta try this one. It'll never disappoint you. So yeah, simply take your brush and do this on your high points of your face, which is your cheekbones, your nose, above your brows, and also on your cupid's bow if you like. Oh, and of course, I forgot the inner corner, which really opens up the eye when it comes to doing dark makeup looks. Now the last part is lipstick, and a lot of y'all must already know you should probably go for a nude pink shade when it comes to doing dark eyes. But I say there's no rule like that, so I'm gonna go in with a bright purple color. It's such a beautiful color. This is by Nykaa. It's Mischevous Plum, and yeah, I love such colors. And don't be afraid to experiment. All you gotta do is just go not super dark on your eyes like I did over here, and I've used more brown shades. That's why it's looking not so overpowering, and let the lips be the pop of color. So that's how it all gets balanced, and yeah, you don't look crazy. The most important tip is to be confident. Raise your head high, girl, you look gorgeous. Just remember, when you feel confident about yourself, automatically any look you do will just look good. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button and hit the like button as well. I'll see you all super soon in my next video. Bye!